species don't usually get second chances, yet a few come back from the dead. Number 1. Laotian rock rat, last seen 1931, pronounced extinct, until a villager sold one for dinner in 2005. Scientists nearly dropped their trays. Number 2. Fernandina giant tortoise, vanished 1906. A lone female crawled across fresh lava in 2019, wearing 113 years of mystery-like armor. Number 3. Jamaican blackbird, believed gone forever. In 2022, a birder hit record and captured its call echoing through the canopy, proof in pixels. Each sighting reminds us nature's plot twists aren't over. Which ghost would you rescue first? Rat, tortoise, or blackbird?